Hello everybody and welcome. Let's code for the older folks. My name's Led Thatcher. Nice to have you with us. I hope this session finds you all well. Now, in the last session, we were still on our OLED screens, organic liquid emitting diodes, and we did scrolling sketch. What I thought we'd do today is having a look at drawing some shapes on our OLED. Some basic shapes. Now the thing is, with shapes you have to use coordinates. Now I don't want to go too deep into coordinates. That's a more advanced topic. So we'll just I'll just try and explain them as we go through the sketch. Right. First thing we are going to need to do is download a library. All right. And I'll put a link below down in the description. So let's go over to here. Right, if you go over to this page, all right, it's the github.com page. And we want the MicroPython Adafruit-GFX library. Right, gfx.py, the extension py for Python. All right, what we need to do is you need to highlight it, right click, copy. All right. That's what we need to do, is copy that. Let me just minimize that. Let me come over to our Thony IDE, Integrated Development Environment. File, new. Okay. Come up with an untitled tab. Right click, paste. All right. And you paste the library into that tab. All right. Then we go File, Save As, MicroPython device. All right. And you need to call it gfx.py. Video, gfx.py. And then click OK. I've already saved mine, right? Now, as I've said before in other sessions, these things with hashtag, if you ever put a hashtag in front of anything, it's a note, right? It's a comment. And you can clear all those out, all right? Okay. So we've saved that and it'll come up like that. All right, I'm just going to close these down. Don't want to save that because I already saved it once. And now what we need to do is File, New, and we get a new tab open. All right, this is going to be for our code. Now, what you need to do is leave your gfx.py open, but also open the sd1306.py. All right, library. All right, so you got them both open. Okay, there, right? So let's get on with the code. As you know, there's certain things we have to import first, right? We need to import our libraries and our attributes, all right? So it's a from. Let me make sure. For some reason, cap lock on. From, all right, machine, import, pin, capital P on the pin, comma, space, soft, yeah, capital I to capital C, enter. Right, we will be using the same setup as previous, that same circuit. Let me just quickly show you that. I forgot to show you that. Let's go back. To show you this. What am I on? Overhead. There we go. That same circuit. All right. Using pins 21, 22. all right, for our circuit. Good. I just thought I'd show you that quickly. I should have showed you that at the beginning, actually. Right. And let me do here. Good. Right, next, import. So we're going to import the SSD, all small case, with 1306 library. Okay, import 1306 library. Then from time, import sleep. All right. And our last library to install. All right. Yep, to reference is GFX. So it's import GFX, all small case. Rightio, so that's that part done. That's that part. Right. No need to do our pin assignment. All right. So for the 32, it's small I to a C. Base equals base soft. I2C, remember a capital I and a capital C. Right, brackets on, all parenthesis. Let's not go into that argument. SCL, and it equals, we're on a pin, capital P on the pin, brackets on, and we're on 22. Brackets off, comma. Right, so that's our first pin. Space, SDA, equals pin, capital P on the pin, brackets, 21, brackets off. Right. Let's come down a bit here. Right. So, what we're going to do now is do our width of our OLED. All right, we've done this before. So it's OLED, all small case, underscore, width, base equals 128, base. Okay, then it's OLED, underscore, height. Right, height, and ours is equal to 4. Radio, there we go here. Then it's OLED, base equals 1306. Sorry, SSD 1306. The end of that. Dot, and it's capital SSD 1306. Underscore. Capital I, capital 2, capital C, brackets on, OLED, underscore, width, comma, OLED height, comma, space, OLED, dot, pixel. Right, okay. And then brackets off. All right, so far so good. Right, I just spotted a little mistake. It's not pixel. Go back to here. It's I2C. OLED dot, no OLED. OLED. So OLED equals SSD 30, OLED, right, OLED, pixel, OLED height, and it's I to C, brackets off, okay? I to C, brackets off. Next, let's go to make sure I got this right, graphics. space equals space GFX dot capitals GFX brackets on OLED underscore width comma space OLED underscore height oh dear brackets on OLED dot pixel. Okay, and brackets off. Enter. Right, let's come down a bit here so we can see. See that line? See? Right, next line. Let's get on. Well, true. Capital T on the true. Enter. Sorry, colons. What does colons give? Auto indent. Graphics line. Graphics dot line. Right, now this is where we put the coordinates. All right. So I'm going to show you a line, rectangle, etc. So the first thing is we're going to draw a line. It's graphics line, brackets on, and it's a 0, comma, space 0, comma, space 127, comma, space 20, comma, space 1, brackets off. So that's going to draw our line, right, using those coordinates. Now, I think I've explained before that our OLED or a display is made up of pixels, all right, and that is the location of them pixels, right? So we're doing a line, and it's OLED.show. Brackets on, brackets off. Enter. Sleep. All right. Millisecond. All right. Brackets on, brackets off. All right, with the 1 in. Sleep, brackets on 1, brackets off. So OLED.fill 0. So it's OLED.fill brackets on 0, brackets off. Enter. All right. So now we're going to do is a graphics. From that. Dot. So it's a graphics. Dot. Excuse me. Rect. A rectangle. Right. Brackets on. That's a brackets off. Brackets on. 0, comma. Sorry. Getting this wrong. I'm on the wrong line. I'm on the wrong line. Sorry. It's 10, comma, space 10, comma, space 50, comma, space 30, comma, space 1, brackets off. Okay. And enter. And what we can do, because it's all the same, I like this. Right click, copy, click here, right click and paste. Because it's all the same. The rest of the code is all the same. OLED.show brackets on, brackets off, sleep, brackets on, 1, brackets off, OLED fill. Okay, brackets on, 0, brackets off. Right, what we're going to do now, let's come down a bit. Glad I saw that. It's not a mistake if you see it. Right, OLED. Next, we'll do a circle. So graphics. Yeah. Dot circle. Brackets on. 64, comma, space. 32, comma, space. 10, sorry, 10, comma, space, and 1. Brackets off. Enter. All right. And again, everything's the same. So we can right click and paste. Space, space. I have to change my OLED. All right. So we've done a circle. Now what we're going to do, we're going to do a fill circle, a circle that is filled. Right? So, make sure I've got the right copy. So, graphics.fill underscore circle. So it's graphics dot fill underscore circle. Right? Brackets on. So 64, comma, space, 32, comma, space 10, comma, space 1. Brackets off. Enter. Right. And it's the same again. Paste. So OLED show, brackets on, brackets off, sleep 1, OLED.fill, brackets on, brackets off. All right. Let's come down again. A bit more. Next, we'll do a triangle. All right. So, seeing that. There's the A out there. Okay, next is graphics.triangle. Yeah. There we spell triangle in it. Yeah, triangle. Yeah. Okay, brackets on. Oh, yeah, so brackets off. Brackets on. 10, comma, base 10, comma, base 5, comma, base 20, comma, base 5, comma, space 40, comma, base 1, brackets off. Right? And again, into that, and we'll put in the OLED show sleep and OLED fill again. So let's come down a bit. And our final one is we're going to do a fill triangle. Right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the lot. Edit. Copy. Edit. Paste. But we're going to go graphics. Dot. Fill. Underscore. Triangle. Everybody got that? Everybody got that? Haven't confused you. So at the top we've got graphics.triangle, but we've got graphics.fill underscore triangle and the same coordinates. Right? And what we do, we do a file. Save as. this device, and I name all my main. So I'm going to click on main. I'm going to OK that. Yes, I want to overwrite it. We've overwritten it. All right. Now, what I've told you before, you can change these. You can save these sketches that you're doing by going File, doing a Save As, and clicking on this computer. Right, and it'll take you to where you save your MicroPython files. All right. Right. So we'll give it a run, see if we've got any issues. Right, line 10. Come to line 10. OLED. Right. Line 10 in module. OLED equals SSD 1306 dot SSD 1306 capitals underscore I2C parentheses OLED underscore width comma OLED height comma I2C. Line 10 in module OLED height. I think I know what it is. Got the underscore just there. All right, let's stop it. Let's save it. And let's try again. And 12. Again. Spelling. We're all human. We're all human. Let me stop that. Oh, save it. Okay, let's run it again. Line 18. Again. OLED. Why I'm doing that, I don't know. Let's just stop this file. Save it. Let me just make sure I haven't done any more OLEDs. Spelling mistakes. Can't see any. Right. Let's try one more time. Here we go. Right. Okay. Excuse me. Let me come over to here. And let's come over to our overhead. And there we go. Simple shapes on our OLED display. Simple shapes. All right. Took a little while, but in the end we got there. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure I know where I am. Yeah, just some simple shapes here. All them numbers, there's 0, 0, 127, is the positions within the OLED display, the pixel positions. Now, there are a lot of videos, I believe, on pixels and plotting, but it's a bit advanced for us, guys. Well, at the moment, for all of us. All right. So thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next session. Bye-bye.